naming compounds. All right, what about naming compounds? Okay, there's two different ways. Well, when you name compounds, you do it differently from ionic to covalent. Okay, we're going to cover ionic first. Okay, first thing you need to do when you're naming an ionic compound is to figure out if it has a transition metal in it or not. Okay. If not, it's easy. You just add the IDE ending to the non-metal. Okay, so for example, what would that be?
Calcium chloride.
Calcium chloride. So the chlorine becomes chloride, right? So you take the root of the non-metal and make it IDE. What if it's what if it has a polyatomic ion in it?
Wouldn't it be the same thing?
Same thing, how? You had the IDE ending? No. You just use the name of the polyatomic ion. So this would be calcium carbonate. Because carbonate's the name of CO3.
You got a little notification.
Jackson.
Okay, so that gives you the names and some of the charges of the polyatomic ions. Questions so far? All right, what about what's that? Ammonium
Chloride?
ammonium chloride.
What was it?
Ammonium.
I didn't know.
Oh.
Sodium sulfate.
Okay, what's this?
Sodium sulfate.
Sodium sulfate. Okay, you're confused.
I'm extremely confused.
Okay,
This
where?
is the only thing I'm good at. Alright.
Where,
Like, are they just like looking at this chart? And
Uh-huh. You get the names.
sodium?
So we know this is sodium, and SO4 sulfate, so it's sodium sulfate.
Yeah.
What's this?
Aluminum fluoride.
Give me a
Aluminum.
minute.
Aluminum fluoride.
It's the only thing I'm good at. Ready for this.
Because fluorine becomes fluoride. Kinsey, what's this?
Potassium?
Okay.
I don't know.
What's I?
Look. Iodate?
Not iodate, iodide.
FLU.
Like that.
Yeah.
OU?
Yeah, OU.
Oh,
It's the only time I like to write OU.
where did you read that?
Potassium.
Don't.
Iodide.
Okay. We good on this?
Let me write it down. Yeah.
Alright. It becomes increasingly difficult if you have a transition metal.
Oh. Oh, jeez.
And we know that transition metals are in the middle here, right?
Hmm.
Must write the oxidation number of the transition metal in Roman numerals in parentheses.
Wow.
Otherwise, it's the same as what we did before. And that comes after the name of the metal. For example, how can I tell what the oxidation number of iron is there?
By what oxygen is?
By what oxygen is. Oxygen is what?
-2.
-2. So iron has to be
+2.
+2. So that's iron to oxide.
Oh.
Oh, I get it.
Good.
So you still have to change like the I
Still
part.
put the ID.
You still have to, everything's the same, except the Roman numeral one.
Okay.
Then what would this be?
Oh.
Iron, what?
Be +3.
Be 3. Oxide.
You erased the definition before I was done.
I'm sorry. You see how he did this, guys? This it?
Mm.
This is -2, it's like the whole thing -6. This is +6, so it becomes 3.
Okay.
Make more sense now?
Just like what we did that a day ago.
Yes. What's that?
Copper carbonate.
Copper,
Carbonate.
copper,
Wait,
copper's a transition metal.
where's my three?
Okay.
It's copper 2.
Because of oxygen at the end?
Because that's like
Because
negative 2.
CO3 is negative 2.
Oh.
So that means copper has to be positive.
Oh, but that little bit doesn't matter after that bonus.
Because CO3 is what it is.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay.
Manganese nitrate. Or manganese something nitrate. What is it? 3. It is 3.
How did you get that?
NO3 is -1. And there's 3 of them. It's gonna be positive 3.
Okay. Makes sense, actually.
There's 3.
So what if you get a
negative
negative?
ones. You have to have positive.
Yeah.
And the only way we can know what the charge is if we memorize it is like from chart, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we comfortable with this? So I can move on? Kinsey, you good?
Yeah.
She's making
Okay,
that
you
face. Get the feel of things.
I'm just confused and I don't know how to use it on.
Do you see where, okay, do you know where I got the -1 from? It's, yeah, it's on that chart handout I just gave you.
I saw
Yes.
that.
Okay. So -1 times 3 makes this whole thing -3, right? So that means there's only one of these. Well, it's the manganese. So that means this thing has to be positive 3. So that 3 goes here. Is
So
that
if
better?
you got a negative.
That makes sense.
What if you got a negative?
You don't.
Okay.
Never.
Yeah, you get negative. That one.
You're doing it wrong.
Fair enough.
Okay. We good otherwise? All right, before we move on to covalent, we need to do some prefixes.
I haven't done this since the first grade.
We did this last
I did this last year.
in biology.
I didn't study.
I mean, I didn't
I didn't either, but
We still did prefixes.
Okay, what's prefix for 1?
Yeah.
Good to know you, bud.
Honestly,
Mono.
I don't know.
Hmm?
Dose.
just one.
Yes. What
Jesus.
is 2?
Dose.
Die.
Dose?
I don't know where my mind was right there.
I don't either.
I went in Spanish mode.
3?
Try.
Try.
Ooh.
Do or do not. There is no try.
4 is quad.
No.
What?
Why?
It's tetra.
Why?
Y'all played the game Tetris before, right?
Yes.
How many, okay, each shape has how many little blocks? 4. That's why it's called Tetris.
I
Oh.
knew that.
Whoa. Just blew my mind. You don't know
You know what Tetris is?
No.
Get on class.
God.
Get out of here.
Jesus Christ.
You need to. She's gonna get smited later.
All right. What's 5?
Cinco.
No.
Into that?
Quin
Quinta.
something. That's Latin somewhere.
That's loud.
Penta. How many sides does a pentagon have?
Oh man.
Oh, wow.
I've been in Spanish too long. Jeez, I hate Spanish.
6?
Hexa.
Yes.
Hepta.
Hepta.
Dang it.
Octa.
Before it could.
Octa. I
got this one.
Nana.
Novena.
Not Nana. Nana.
Nana.
I said novena. I
Oh.
think that's Spanish too.
Yeah, that is Spanish. Spanish
that's
is ruining
ninth
me.
period.
Yes, it is.
No, it's just not.
Dick.
It's 9. We
Yeah,
tried.
Yeah.
it's decade.
Novena.
I've been in Spanish way too
So
long.
that's as far as we'll go.
I'm speaking Spanish words too. It's all right, guys.
You need to memorize those.
Non.
I'm gonna put memorize above them.
At least that means we paid attention in
Well,
Spanish.
Write it
Yes,
down.
it's basically.
We know Spanish now. There we go.
Stock chemistry.
Yeah.
Well,
Alright.
I think this is
When you know
math.
Spanish better than you know English. Woo.
This is
Oh.
I
English.
got mad at myself because I was in Spanish and I couldn't even write things. I was wondering why I became
So
that.
covalent naming.
I don't know. Does it matter if it's a transition or not?
Do covalent have
Yeah,
middle?
no, it's only non-metals.
Yep. Oof.
Hey, you calm down back there. How does this even happen?
What is that?
It's like the little metals. Excuse me, sir. Get out of the way there.
Spelled American.
Do some nerd.
You use the numeric prefixes except when the first element is single. So you never use mono on the first one.
Wait, what? You don't use mono on the.
On the first element. So what's this?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. It's not monocarbon dioxide.
Oh.
It's just carbon dioxide. You don't. Because this is there's only one of these.
But theoretically, if it was like CO, it'd just be carbon
Monoxide. This is carbon monoxide.
Okay.
And look, see when you write it, if you're writing monoxide, it would be monoxide. We drop one. We drop the O. And sometimes we drop some of the A's and O's to make it flow better. If it sounds funny, yeah, do it.
Okay.
And I'm not gonna count off, but it'll help you later on.
So that's carbon dioxide.
Yeah, this is carbon dioxide.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I read that as carbon.
Carbon dioxide. Oh my god.
Nice.
I love that.
Water.
Dehydrogen oxide.
What? How would you do it?
Dihydroxide.
Hydrogen monoxide?
He said.
Dihydrogen monoxide.
Whoa.
Water.
Oh, interesting.
So if you want to sound fancy, be like, give me the best of
Give me
your.
some dihydrogen monoxide.
You go to a restaurant, give me your best dihydrogen monoxide.
And then say, get out of my place.
What, you don't have, what was it, Voss from Grown Ups? You don't have Voss? Have you seen that?
No.
It's like a little rich kid, he goes to like a weird like burger shack and he's like, you guys don't have Voss?
Oh, no. You don't need that.
Carbon monoxide?
Okay.
Carbon monoxide.
That is chat.
Dicarbon octa. Or
Outside.
Octahydrogen. Dang, well,
Is it
guys.
tricarbon?
Yes.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, you get to have an IDE in this too.
octahyd.
Ah!
You have to add what?
It's all kinds of difficult.
IDE.
Yeah, I forgot. I need to add that.
Tricarbon.
Octahydride.
Oh, we've just been doing it.
It sounds so made up. It's not okay, but you know.
It does, doesn't it?
That's why they call it propane.
Okay.
That's fair.
I don't even know how to
Yeah,
say these words.
I assumed my brain just automatically does the IDE ending. So yeah, use the IDE ending on the second element.
Aw, more difficult.
Not really.
Hydrogen.
It's octahydride.
Huh.
Tetrahydride.
Dang it, now my notes look all squished together.
Tetrahydride.
Carbon tetrahydride.
This is right.
Methane.
I took
Tetrahydride.
that right.
Okay.
Tetrahydride.
Carbon tetrahydride.
Tetrahydride.
That's a mouthful.
Can I erase this whole thing?
Yes.
Yes.
Dinitride.
Dinitrogen pentaoxide.
Oh man, this is. We're
It's a foreign
thriving.
language.
Dinitrogen pentoxide.
Shit, that's fun.
Notice I dropped the A on penta.
Oh.
I just saw it
Oh
coming
yeah,
in.
just pentaoxide.
Yeah.
I said pentaoxide.
Pentoxide.
It's just pentaoxide.
I'm not gonna count off if you put pentaoxide, but
You won't?
no.
Oh,
I
bless.
feel like if we did leave it, it would just be like pentaoxide.
Yeah, but you forget one T in neutron. You know,
Muon.
neuron.
Neuron.
Yeah,
Alright, we
right.
good? Alright, here's some.
That one's easier than the last one.
Yeah, I think this is a lot easier.
But it gets confusing after like
Well,
one
no.
step.
I mean, with the transition metals, a little difficult. But ionic